Hello student, so here I am with another curve on conic section, that will be rectangular hyperbola. A rectangular hyperbola can be defined as the locus of a point moving in a plane in such a way so that the product of its distance from two fixed straight line remains same or constant. So if I want to write the definition, it is defined as the locus of a point moving in a plane in such a way so that the product of its distance from two fixed straight lines remains same or constant. Earlier, if you remember, in the case of ellipse, I told you that the point will move in such a way so that the sum will remain constant. In the case of hyperbola, that will be the difference will remain constant. Now this time I am saying that the distance from the two fixed straight line, the product of the distance from the two fixed straight line remains same or constant. And those two fixed straight lines, suppose I will take two fixed straight lines, that may be our x-axis and y-axis as you used in the graph papers. So these two straight lines, normally these two straight lines will be perpendicular to each other, and this will be our x-axis and this will be our y-axis, and these two axes are known as asymptotes. So what I am saying, that the point will move in such a way so that the product of its distance from the two fixed point remains same. So if the initial point will be, suppose this is the point P and its coordinates will be, this will be x and this will be y. So what I am saying, that this x into y will remain constant. If you remember, in the case of Boyle's law, we use the curve that is PV equals to constant. In that case, this will be the pressure and this will be the volume. So actually the curve we use in the PV equals to constant, that will be a rectangular hyperbola. And if you remember, this curve will move like this. So this is the curve that is known as rectangular hyperbola. This is a very smooth curve used in water channels and also the curve of Boyle's law. So this is rectangular hyperbola when the point P moves in such a way so that the product of the distance from these two fixed straight lines, those are our axes, horizontal x-axis and y-axis, if that remains same or constant, that curve will be known as rectangular hyperbola. As you already know that when I cut a cone parallel to the axis, I can get the rectangular hyperbola. And for this rectangular hyperbola, the eccentricity will be equals to √2. And next time in next class, I will take some problem on rectangular hyperbola with dimensions, and we will plot the method, use the method to plot this curve. But this is the basic concept of this curve. I hope you understand the concept. In next class, we will solve the problem. Thank you very much.